How to format text in a WordPress post. So first, go to your WordPress homepage. Next is just click on post here on the left side. Then look for the post that you want to format the text. So for example, this one, I'll click on it. Okay, after that, you will see the post. Now, if you want to format it, just highlight the things that you want to format. For example, I want to format this. Then just click on the options here at the top. You can transform it into heading, a list, a code, whatever you want. So for example, I want to make it bold. So you can see now it's bold. If I want to turn it into italic, now it's in italic and it's bold. Okay, if you want to add a link or link it to something, just click on the link icon here and then just type in the URL. So that's about it. Once you're done, just click on save and click on preview. So let's say save it and click on view post, and this is a preview. So that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.